Thank you, Patriji. Patri sir is the idol whom I have grown up looking at and who has walked the talk. He taught us the right spirituality, that is the way of living. He taught us how to lead the life, creating that balance and practicing middle path. Thank you, Patri sir, for teaching me how to live the life with wisdom. Happy birthday, Patri sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Patriji. Patri sir has been a great inspiration for everyone that in his lifetime he has read more than 1 lakh books written by thousands of masters across the globe. And also, Patri sir has encouraged everyone to read right spiritual books every day. My Swadhyaya journey has been started by the inspiration of Patri sir. Thank you, Patriji, and happy birthday, Patriji.
Thank you, Patriji. No judgments and no complaints. This phase of Patriji inspired me the most. What he implied by this message is to live and let live and do not get affected by any of the judgments and complaints, and do not pass them out either. The way he embraced the Seva Marga and lived up to it is the very best example for all of us. And thank you for making the simple life simpler, and thank you for leading us in a very right path. Happy birthday, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ. ಕತ್ತಲೆಯ ಕಳೆದು ಬೆಳಕ ಹರಿಸಿದರು. ಬೆಳಕಿನ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯಾನವ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದರು. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದರು. ಸಸ್ಯಹಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಎಂದು ಕರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಪೊರೆಯ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದ ಪೊರೆಯ ಕಳಚಿದರು. ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಕ್ಷಯ್. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 40 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿಯವರ ಒಂದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪವಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಜಗತ್, ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಜಗತ್, ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರ ಜಗತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಈಗ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೂ ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಕೈಕಾಲು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಉಸಿರಾಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಮನ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಅನಂತ ಕೋಟಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, Patriji. Patriji is only Guru who raised voice for animals and motivated all PSSM masters to be a vegetarian and create to awareness about it through thousands of vegetarian rallies. This inspired me, transformed from non-vegetarian to vegetarian. Thank you, Patriji. Happy birthday, Patriji.
Thank you, Patriji. Patriji is a great spiritual scientist. He has experimented on many things such as pyramid energy, mind power and meditation techniques. Has introduced spirituality to modern world as spiritual science. He always used to address everyone as his friends, gods and masters. He said friendship is the greatest form of relationship. He showed us by being friendly with not only with everyone but also with plants and animals. According to him, everyone were unique, no one were superior or inferior. He helped us to recognize the godliness within us. Thank you, Patriji. Have made our life simple and joyful. Happy birthday, Patriji.
Thank you so much, Patriji. Patriji always taught us spiritual health is the roots and physical health is the fruits. Thank you so much, Patriji, for sharing us the true wisdom of knowledge. Patriji always wanted his people to become masters rather than disciples. Patriji's vision was to take this pyramid meditation throughout the world. And yes, today we all are doing that. Thank you so much, Patriji. The new pyramid age has begun. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Patriji. Patriji is only Guru who introduced observing our natural and simple inhale and exhale breathing meditation. Observation of our breath is only key to connect with our true selves, and observing breath is only secret to succeed in life, and breath is only Guru. Thank you, Patriji, for giving this great meditation gift. Happiest birthday, Patriji.
Thank you, Patriji. Patriji is the first Guru who said that meditation and spirituality is not only for the old age. Instead, it has to be done from the childhood. With that intention, he created Paima. Happy and proud to be a pioneer. Thank you, Patriji. Happy birthday, Patriji.
Thank you, Patriji. Patri sir taught that don't analyze anything and don't analyze anybody and don't interface with anybody's life and accept everyone as they are. This teaching of Patri sir inspired me a lot. So thank you, Patri sir, and happy 76th birthday, Patri sir.